By the end of this video, you're gonna master an easy sniper entry strategy that'll allow you to be able to trade breakouts all the time. This strategy focuses on breakouts and fair value gaps, and it's helped me bank in $21,000 just the other day. Most traders fail because they take every single fair value gap that they see, every breakout that they see without involving liquidity, and they end up getting cooked in the market. This video is gonna make everything so clear for you so that doesn't happen to you ever again. This strategy alone allowed me to be able to quit my job, get my dream car, and alleviate all of our debt. And my students are going crazy with it. They're passing challenges, they're getting payouts, they're getting funded. My goal this year is to develop 1,000 profitable traders, and I hope that could be you today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. So I explained this strategy in a lot more detail with additional confluences in my actual course, but I believe that if you guys utilize this alone, you'll see profits instantly. So what we're doing is we're going on a higher time frame, and we see that there is a 1 hour high and there is a 1 hour low. What we're trying to do, because this is called the breakaway model, we're trying to utilize getting out of the range to be able to get in to trade. And this strategy works on literally anything. It works on futures, forex, options, crypto, all of that stuff. It's really just trading the breakout. So if we go right here, we have our high and our low right here. Because price broke our structure, we're gonna go ahead and get in. And I don't know if you guys know anything about gaps in the market, but I trade gaps in the market. Anytime you see that there is a candle right here without connection to the third candle right here, I explain what fair value gaps are in so many videos, but you want to make sure that there is no connection to the 3 candle pattern. A fair value gap is a 3 candle pattern, and because we have that, we're going to mark our fair value gap. And you guys have the option to either choose the actual fair value gap to get in the market, or you can choose to get in on the order block. So what we're going to try to do is go for a 1 to 3, and we'll see what happens. You got a complete breakout right here. There's additional confluences that I only teach in the course, but again, this strategy alone will get you right. So we're gonna set our stop loss right here, and we're gonna set our TP right here, and we're gonna try to just make $1,000 off of risking 300. And boom, TP hit. So that's literally how it works. You go on a higher time frame, you wait for the break above, then you drop to a low time frame, and you get in on the gap or a Pediarite or the order block to be able to get in the market. It's really, really simple. Now again, there are different confluences that we look for down below to make sure that these fair value gaps qualify, which is only going to be in the course. But again, if you guys use this strategy alone, it'll help you get right, I'm telling you. So let's try to find a sell example right here. So we have our low right here in the market, which is great. This is a great low right here. And we have our high. So we want to make sure that price either breaks this high right here or this low right here. Also, my indicator breaks down which high and low is actually the best. If you guys go ahead and get that, the link will be in the description for that. But we're going to wait for a higher low to be broken. So we got this low broken right here. So we're going to drop to the lower time frame and get in. Based on the strategy, the confluences are met before everything crosses our line. So let's go ahead and get in this fair value gap and see how low we can take price. I'm going to put my stop loss right there, and I'm going to go for a 1 to 3 again. We're going to extend that. Let's go ahead and get in and let's see how we do. All right, so we're in the market. Let's go ahead and set our stop loss, and let's go ahead and set our TP. And again, let me extend this significantly so I don't have to keep stopping the video. And boom, TP hit. It's a really good strategy, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, it's a banging strategy. This thing could get you right immediately. So if you guys are brand new to the market, I do want to explain fair value gaps just one more time. Most candles are not connecting with each other. So when I say that, I mean the bottom wick of this candle right here is not touching the top wick of this candle right here. Think of it as a 3 candle pattern. And so because those 3 candles are not touching each other, there is a whole bunch of money inside of here. You want to make sure that you are getting in on where the money is at so you can trade with the people who got the big money. That is literally how it goes. And so just for example, if you're trading any old random fair value gap, and let's just say you were going for a 1-to-1 on that, it just shows how powerful it is. If you were just risking money just for no reason, price rejects off of it. Now, I don't know if it's gonna hold or not, but price rejects off of fair value gaps. This video alone gonna make somebody profitable. And of course, anytime you trade fair value gaps, you want to be able to have it a little bit above the fair value gap just in case it wants to fill it completely. So this is called a mitigation. When price goes up and fills the gap completely and then rejects, that is called a filling. So you want to make sure that you're getting in on either the mitigation or the fill anytime you trade with fair value gaps. And you would have won TP right there just on a random fair value gap. That's how significant and important these things are. If you guys are interested in this strategy at all, you can go to the link in my description or the link in my bio, and it is called the Breakaway Model course. It explains so much in detail of how I trade in the market every single day. So these are the wins that people are getting with my indicator as well. So you guys see that people are just catching straight wins. It shows the exact strategy that I showed you guys, but there's an indicator that tells you when to buy and sell based off of it. It has approximately a 75% win rate, but people are catching crazy wins with it. And I'm just so happy that I could be able to provide something like that. This person right here just got to pay out. This person right here just passed their challenge. This person right here just passed their challenge. This one. I mean, people are going crazy in the community. So the way that this thing works is it shows you the highs and the lows in the market. This indicator is built off of the secret sauce strategy, or what it was formerly known as the secret sauce strategy, but now it's the breakaway strategy. So if you guys go to the indicator tab, you'll see where it says breakaway indicator. And if you double click it, these are all the settings that I have for it. So typically you would get in right here, but we're trying to wait for price to have a clear breakthrough so we can enter. As price is trying to shoot down, it's avoiding losing. So we finally got an entry right here for us to be able to get in. So we're going to go ahead and backtest this and see what happens as we try to get in the market. And we're just going for a solid 1-to-1. So we'll see what happens. We'll do a limit order. And again, this indicator goes directly off of my strategy. So we're in the market right here. We're gonna put our stop loss right here and our take profit right here. TradingView has this weird thing that when you try to back test, it won't let you put the stop loss and take profit until it enters you in. I don't know why it does that, but we're in the market right here. Boom, TP hit. You hit TP in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. You hit TP in less than 5 minutes. Man, I want to end the video on a really good one to where price is not ranging so that we can be able to really display what happens. We'll never trade when price looks like this. You don't ever want to trade when there's no momentum, when price is ranging for a long time, when the market is just super dry. You never want to trade in moments like that in the market. So I would say the market picked up a little bit right here. Let's try to get in and see what happens. So our range line is right here, and price, the range line is actually hiding the TP, but that's okay. So we'll put our entry right here. Again, we do limit orders. Let's try to end on a banger, guys. Let's try to end on a banger. All right. So we got our TP up here, and then we got our stop loss right here. Let's end on a banger, y'all. Let's end on a banger. Boom, TP hit. Isn't that indicator cool, y'all? So look, I hope this video was a blessing for you. Hey, do me a favor, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's keep the ball rolling, man. Click on one of the videos somewhere around the corner. It's gonna be somewhere, and let's continue to learn and continue to follow the journey of how to be a better trader. Until next time.